Hey, this is Ryan, and today I'm going to resume part 3, where we will build the serverless backend for our app. The browser application that we deployed in the first module allows users to request that a unicorn be sent to a location of their choice. In order to fulfill those requests, the JavaScript running in the browser will need to invoke a service running in the cloud. The first thing that we will do is create a DynamoDB table. So go to AWS, find DynamoDB, create table. We will call this rides for table name and ride ID for the partition key. Create. And we need to copy the Amazon resource name that will be down here. Step 2, create an IAM role for your Lambda function. Every time we make a Lambda function, we need a IAM role. So make a new tab, type in IAM, roles, create role. We want AWS service for Lambda. Type in AWS Lambda basic execution role. Enter wild rides Lambda for role name. Let's go back to roles and select the one that we just created. We need an inline policy. Select choose a service. Type in DynamoDB. Okay, in actions, type in put item. This is where we need our ARN. So let's click on add ARN. What happened there? Let's go back. Doesn't like that. Okay. Type in rides and type in US East 1 add. Okay, review policy. Enter this for the policy name. And create policy. Okay, now we want to go to Lambda. Let's create a function. Author from scratch. Function name, we will use request unicorn. Pick the latest Node.js. Down here in permissions, we want choose an existing role, and we'll find the role that we just made. So that'll be wild rides Lambda, and create function. Okay, let's scroll down to function code. Select index.javascript. And we're going to replace this. So if we click this link, copy this JavaScript, paste it, and deploy. Now we want to test it. So step 4. Go up top and select a test event, configure, create a new test event. Let's give this a name. And we will copy this test event script. So we're going to do a post HTTP method. That means we're going to write some username data. So create. And make sure this is selected and then press test. And down here, if you look at the execution results, let's make sure that the results match what we have in the tutorial. We have status code 201. Here's our body. These are all the things that we wrote. I think that looks right. Going back to your DynamoDB table. And let's go to items, refresh. And this is it. This is what we wrote to the table. That works. All right, so our backend is set up. That's it for this tutorial then. And the next one will deploy our RESTful API.